In a time long past, in a forgotten corner of the universe, the planet Earth suffered in silence. For years, humanity had mercilessly mistreated their home, disregarding the warnings of the wise, and the signals of nature's distress. Earth, exhausted and filled with wounds, finally reached its breaking point. In a burst of despair and pain, the blue planet transformed into a sphere of fire and dust, disappearing in one final act of sacrifice. The explosion reverberated through the cosmos, leaving behind a black void and infinite sadness. This is the story of how the fate of Earth was sealed by humanity's irresponsible actions, an unforgettable lesson about the consequences of not caring for and valuing our one and only home. But what if we had a chance again?
2993 Wendy is an asteroid belonging to the asteroid belt, discovered on August 4, 1970 by the Perth Observatory team from the Perth Observatory, Bickley, Australia.
Wendy, the asteroid 2993. Once upon a time, there was an asteroid named Wendy, who used to travel freely through the vast expanse of the universe. Wendy was a special asteroid, filled with curiosity and compassion for everything around her. Every time she passed by a planet, she would carefully observe its beauty and diversity, fascinated by the variety of life that existed in the cosmos. One day, as Wendy approached Earth, she was astonished and deeply saddened to see how the planet was deteriorating. The oceans were full of trash, the forests were rapidly shrinking, and the air was polluted. Climate change had left a devastating mark on the place that used to be a vibrant and pristine home to countless species. Wendy couldn't contain her sorrow at the destruction caused by human negligence. Tears of sadness flowed from her cosmic eyes as she silently orbited around Earth. But instead of resigning herself to sadness, Wendy decided to take action. The asteroid gathered other like-minded asteroids, and they began working together to help heal the planet. Each asteroid carried seeds of plants and trees, and they planted them in the places where devastation was most visible. They dedicated themselves to cleaning the oceans, collecting tons of trash, and rescuing marine animals affected by pollution. Wendy also became a messenger, carrying news of hope and awareness to every corner of the universe. She shared stories of brave individuals on Earth who joined together to fight against climate change and protect the environment. She inspired other planets and civilizations to take action to prevent the same tragedy in their own homes. Over time, Wendy's and her fellow asteroids' efforts began to bear fruit. The forests started growing again, the rivers cleared up, and animals returned to their habitats. Earth began to regain its past splendor, although the path to full recovery was still long. Wendy's efforts and love for Earth not only helped heal the planet, but also touched the hearts of human beings. People realized that they had the power to make a difference and protect the home they shared with all other forms of life. Wendy, with a smile in her cosmic eyes, continued her journey through the universe, hoping that Earth and all its inhabitants would realize the importance of caring for and preserving their home. Her story became an eternal reminder that even the smallest of beings can make a great impact when they act with love and compassion. And so, the asteroid Wendy became a symbol